Hello and welcome. These two words are commonly misused in English language, affect and effect. Here is how to keep them straight. First, affect. This is usually a verb. It means to change or to influence. Effect is the result of an action and it's usually a noun. Here is an example of how to use affect in a sentence. Too much stress can affect your mental state. Means it can change it or influence it. Here is another example of how to use affect in a sentence. Regular exercise can affect you in positive ways. That means it can bring about positive changes to you. Alright, let's talk about effect. Effect is the outcome or result of an action. Example, exercise has a positive effect on your mental state. Improved mood is one of the effects of regular exercise. So exercise is the action and the result is an improved mood. Here is another example of how to use affect to change or to influence. Excessive sugar intake can affect you physically and emotionally. That means it can influence you physically and influence you emotionally. Excessive sugar intake can affect your weight. No, that's the wrong use of effect. An effect of a high sugar diet is weight gain. This is the correct use of effect. The result of a high sugar diet is weight gain. Now, sometimes the rules bend. Effect can also be a verb, meaning to bring about. The new teacher effected new changes to the class routine. That means they brought about new changes to the classroom routine. Affect, note the pronunciation. Affect can be a noun in medicine, meaning an emotion or a facial expression of a patient. The patient showed a flat affect. That means they are showing no emotion at all. But for everyday English, stick with the basics. Affect for the action and effect for the result. Test your understanding of the use of affect and effect. Number 1. Not drinking enough water can affect or effect your focus. Is it A or B? Number 2. A common affect or effect of dehydration is a headache. Which one is it? Is it affect or effect? And the next question. Climate change has blank weather patterns around the globe. Is it affected or affected weather patterns around the globe? Number 4. Too much screen time may blank your sleep quality. Is it affect your sleep quality or affect your sleep quality? What does too much screen time result in? And number 5, that speech had a big blank on me. Is it affect or effect? Note the answers and I will reveal the result right now. The first answer is affect. Not drinking enough water can affect your focus, not effect. And the next question and the next answer. One common effect of dehydration is a headache. Dehydration causes headache. Climate change has affected weather patterns around the globe. Climate change has changed weather patterns around the globe. So A is correct. And the next, too much screen time may affect your sleep quality. Affect is correct, A. And number 5, that speech had a big effect on me. Effect is the correct answer. Let me know how you did in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. I'll respond to your comment. Thank you so much. Come back for more lessons.